going over how to use the imcenter. You can log in using your username and password that you created upon joining. Once you log in, you're going to see your name up here on the top left-hand corner. You're going to see this empty picture. Now you can click this and actually create and upload a picture of yourself. And you can also fill in a user profile about yourself, and this will help you unlock experience points and badges, which you'll learn more about later. Now, if I go back to my home dashboard, up here I have this slide that's always giving me company updates and news, so it's very important to always pay attention to the information up here. Next, I have my What's Next button. So first, I want to start in level 1. Level 1 is going to help guide me in downloading PDFs and handbooks and giving me a roadmap on where I'm going to go and where I'm going to start, along with tutorials. Now you have required items, and then you have suggested items. When you do the required items, it will unlock the next level. Each item has points and a status. So when you complete the full status of downloading a PDF or watching a video or taking a test or so forth, you're gonna 1, complete the status, and 2, earn points. Now, suggested items is not required, but it'll also help you earn points towards your leaderboard. Now, on the side here, it's going to show you the progress upon completing different levels and the experience points that you are earning. Now, again, going back to our home dashboard, you also see your stats, which is trophies you earn, posts, updates, the amount of times you log in, your experience points, and any content that you may favorite, which I'll show you later. You also have the Hall of Fame. The Hall of Fame is your leaderboard based on the amount of points you earn from taking tests, taking quizzes, watching videos, and participating in Pip Talk is going to give you experience points, and that's going to rank you in a leaderboard in your actual area and country. Each leaderboard is broken down. So if you're in the UK, the leaderboard will be based in the UK. If you're in the United States, if you're in Mexico, right? So the leaderboards are based on the region that you are in. Now, you also have My Awards. My Awards is badges that you earn for completing different things within the imcenter. So for example, I just earned a badge called New Achievement. You've reached this achievement for taking a peek at your stash, right? So you're gonna earn different badges within the center as you go along. Now going back to the home dashboard, you're also going to see the What's Happening wall. The What's Happening wall will have posts of important news and updates from the company to you. So definitely pay attention to what comes out on this wall. Next, on the left-hand side menu, I have my completions. Completions is going to show any content and the last piece of content that I've viewed. So the last thing I viewed was the imcenter tutorial, and it's going to continue to show the latest assessments, tests, materials, e-learning quests, and curriculums that I have completed. Up here, I also have my What's Next. I can favorite content, so any content that I choose to favorite will be in my favorite content section. I can favorite messages, and I can also see updates as I start to use the center. Now, where do we get started? Well, the first thing you're going to want to do is start digging into the information. So when I click Academies, I'm going to see one of a few things. I'm going to see the academy that I purchased, whether it's FRX, HFX, Elite, ECX, or IBO. I will have access to that information here, also in multiple languages. So if I choose Learn Forex Trading English, I'm going to enroll into the curriculum. So FRX series, enroll. Once I enroll, it unlocks a series of videos, tests, and quizzes. Now, the very first thing here would be the FRX handbook. So I can open up the handbook, I can choose to download it, I can choose to view it, and look through the information so that I can start to learn what it is that my next steps are going to be. And the same thing goes. I can now go on the next one, click the video, and watch the video to start learning. So this is where you're going to find the academy that you want to learn from, the academy that you purchased, and start learning your curriculum. The next section is our Pip Talk. Pip Talk is an online community where one, you have your I Am Informed, which is company news and updates that you definitely want to subscribe to so that you can receive notifications to our I Am Academy app anytime the company has news for you. And you also want to subscribe to any educators or strategies that you're interested in so that you can stay up to date with news and information from those specific educators. So you can scroll through here and subscribe to any strategies or educators that you want, and once again, receive notifications on your app. Next, I'm going to click Strategies in the left-hand menu. Strategies are platforms that find market ideas, do the work for us, and give us potential setups for us to capitalize within the markets. Well, maybe you don't know what that means. Maybe you're brand new and overwhelmed. Don't be, because each of these has a full breakdown of what each strategy is, how many trades it does, and what educators teach about the strategy and how I can capitalize off of it, and the languages included as well. So if I want to learn about the harmonics, right, I can go to Go Live Languages in English, and I can go see Videsh or Jean-Marc or Manny or Ray or Jonathan, Fanny, Boss, right? I can go learn from these educators on how I can capitalize off of this. Now, if I click it, it's actually going to give me access to a harmonic scanner. That's going to find potential market ideas that I can capitalize within the markets. And if I'm brand new, I'm going to leverage the educators on Go Live to help me learn how to use this. Now, what is Go Live? Well, going back to my imcenter menu, the next tab is Go Live. Go Live is a platform where I get to learn from professional educators in 13 different languages, 24 hours a day. So no matter if I want to learn in the middle of the day, in the morning, in the middle of the night, there's a schedule and an educator teaching. Well, here you can see some of our top featured educators. Next, I can pick a channel. So depending on the package that I've purchased is the channel that I'm going to get access to. So for example, if I've purchased the FRX package, I can click FRX, and up here I can see Basics, Advanced, and Live Analysis. So if I'm brand new, I'm going to go to FRX Basics, and there's multiple educators on the schedule teaching that. So if today is Monday, I can say, okay, today on Monday, there's educators at 7 p.m., 11 a.m., 12 a.m., 2 p.m., right, 9 p.m., and so forth. And based on my schedule, I can choose which educators I can attend. So let's say that now it's 7 p.m. and I want to go view Ralph. I can click on Ralph, and I'm going to see Ralph here live at 7 p.m. Eastern, right? I can chat here in the box with him. If I have any questions, I can see his recorded sessions and go back, or if I missed a session, I can go back and view it. I can see his favorite sessions that he absolutely loved teaching on that might help me, and I can go back and view it as well. I can also currently see who's live right here, right now, if I want to continue to watch. And if he's uploaded any files for me to download, I can click here and download any files that Ralph may have given. So Go Live is going to help you be able to get your questions answered, learn from the professional educators. And again, you can see once you're advanced, you can come in here and learn from advanced educators. And once you're ready for live analysis, you can also come to the live analysis. Now, once again, we have multiple different languages. And if you would like to learn the strategies we spoke about, you can come down here. And if you want to learn about FRX harmonics, I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to attend these sessions and learn from the educators that train on FRX harmonics. So that is a full tutorial of imcenter, how to access everything and how to use it. Definitely dig in here, have fun. It's completely life-changing information as long as it's applied. So take at least 10 minutes a day to watch a video. Take at least 10 minutes a day, an hour, 30 minutes a day to attend Go Live sessions, and definitely subscribe to your favorite Pip Talk educators, where you can at any time receive notifications and updates directly to your phone and utilize the strategies to help you find market ideas, potential market ideas within the markets.